The Jordan 3 Retro OG Black Cement originally dropped in 1988 and was designed by the legendary Tinker Hatfield. This was the first Jordan to feature the Jumpman logo and the iconic elephant print overlays. Featuring a premium black tumbled leather upper, that signature gray elephant print wrapping around the toe and heel, and hits of varsity red on the tongue and outsole, this sneaker is pure nostalgia and style combined. Now, let's talk about why these aren't just for looks but also for comfort and performance. First up, cushioning. The Air Jordan 3 features a visible air unit in the heel, giving you that soft, responsive feel with every step. Whether you're rocking them casually or hitting the court like MJ did back in the day, you'll experience top-tier comfort. The premium leather ensures durability, so these kicks won't fall apart after a few wears. And let's not forget about the traction. The rubber outsole provides excellent grip, making them ideal for both the streets and the hardwood. This sneaker is a piece of history. If you're a Jordan fan, a sneaker collector, or someone who appreciates legendary designs, this is a must-have. The Black Cement 3s are versatile. They look amazing with jeans, joggers, or even shorts. Repsneaker.net is your ultimate destination for high-quality replica sneakers at unbeatable prices. Whether you're looking for the latest Air Jordans, Balenciaga, Dior, or Asics, this website offers a wide variety of styles with top-notch craftsmanship. With a commitment to quality and affordability, Repsneaker.net ensures that sneaker enthusiasts can get their hands on premium replicas without breaking the bank. To further assure our customers, Repsneaker.net is featured on Trustpilot, where real users have shared their experiences. You can check out reviews and see why so many sneakerheads trust this website for their purchases. Transparency and customer satisfaction are top priorities, making this a go-to platform for sneaker lovers worldwide. And here's the best part. Use our exclusive discount code RSNOW at checkout to get 15% off your purchase. These sneakers originally cost $153, but with our special discount, you'll pay only $130.05. This deal makes it even easier to grab your favorite pairs without hesitation. Behind Repsneaker.net is a dedicated team committed to providing the best shopping experience. Their support team is always available to assist with any inquiries, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free purchase process. Whether you need help with sizing, order tracking, or general queries, they are always ready to assist. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unboxings, reviews, and exclusive sneaker deals. Stay tuned for more exciting content from Rsnow Unbox.